Okay guys, in this video we're going to activate some sales channels. So to do that, you come into your dashboard, you come to sales channels and hit this blue plus icon here. So I only use the Facebook ones. It's entirely up to you if you want to activate some others. Like down here we've got Amazon, eBay, all these ones. I've never used them. I can't use them because I'm in the UK here. So if you're in the UK, it says here these are unavailable. Point of sale is if you have a brick and mortar store and say, for instance, you're using an iPad or maybe an iPhone, but you get an app. And if you sell physical products in a store like Canvas Prints, then you can use the app as a checkout. You take the money and then the sale actually goes through your Shopify store. So that's point of sale. Check that out. There's a lot of stuff you can actually buy checkouts and stuff from Shopify if you have a brick and mortar store and you want to set that up. Facebook, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to activate on this store because it's a demo store, but activate that. It will then ask you to connect your Facebook page, and what I'm going to do is show you my Facebook page from the store that I'm going to launch this year. Instagram I've never used, but I probably will, so I recommend you install that one. Buy button here, basically this will give you some code, some HTML code that you can embed on any website, and then people can make purchases from a completely different website. So if you've built a website in another way but you still want to use Shopify to automate everything, then that's that one. Messenger here, highly recommend you install this. So again, click plus, that will connect you up. Now with Facebook, connecting Facebook, the reason why it's so good and so cool is people can make purchases right through your fan page. So I'm not going to activate it on this store. What I'm going to do is we're going to check out the store that I'm going to be launching, which I've already just need to refresh that. Just times out after a little while. Let's log in. Okay, so first of all, Messenger here. Let's go and take a look at the store. What Messenger does is it puts down here this message us button. Okay, on mobile as well, it's seen. We can change the style of that button, but what that does is it instantly, I'm probably going to confuse it because I'm messaging myself, but that allows people to use this as like live chat on your site. Okay, now live chat is again another really good thing to have, like your free phone number up here. So that's really good. Now here, once you've activated those sales channels, then oh god, sorry guys. Once you've activated those sales channels, sorry about that. Okay, for the Messenger, if you click Messenger, once it's activated, we've got control over the icon, so you can change the sort of color and style from blue and white and blue. You can change the position, the size of it. And then down here, it's got a lot of automated replies and stuff. So if you want to test it out, pop across to my page, to Real Adventurer, and hit my Messenger button and you'll see what happens here. Now, all of this is good to go right out of the box, but you can go into here and you can actually edit up the messages, the automated messages that it does as well. So have a look at that. If you want to change anything, any of these automated messages, then go ahead and change them. But like I say, they're good to go right out the box, so you don't really need to edit anything up. You can switch it on or off as well. You can disable it if you want to switch it off. And then that'll be on your page. Now, the shop or the Facebook, the main one here, if we go into mine, should be able to see here we have this is where we can control it. So these are the products that I've started to upload, and then if I come across to my fan page, okay, just scroll down a bit. Here we can see we have a built-in shop. Now I need to reorganize these a little bit and tweak them up, but if you click on it, Right here, people can browse through your products. You can see I've got some services up here, and then I've got some canvas prints that I started to upload. I also made a calendar. This is a good thing. These sold really well. And I went around and I took pictures of my local town here, and then I bought a template from Graphic River where I showed you before. Bought a calendar template, and then I sent these off, had them printed, and sold maybe a couple of hundred of them just before Christmas. So these are that's a cool little thing that you can do. But you can see here, I clicked on the product I was interested in. I can then click checkout on website. Now, a lot more people are on Facebook, browsing around on Facebook, so that is something super cool that you can do with your fan page. Highly worth doing. I highly recommend it. So let's get back home. So yeah, that's it for activating sales channels. So I definitely highly recommend Messenger and Facebook. If you're in the States, check out Amazon and eBay. I'm sure they'll have a lot of, Shopify will have a lot of training on how to set that up. But as you know, the more sales channels you're on, the better, the more coverage you're going to get. So check those out. But definitely I would go for Facebook and Facebook Messenger so people can get a hold of you. And yeah, so you'll have a shop built right into Facebook, which is ultra cool. Also, just to add, it takes a little while for that shop to activate. And in fact, if it isn't activated, you need to make sure you have the right page template, which is where is that? Page moderation, page quality. Visit post, templates and tabs here. So you need to make sure that your fan page has the shopping template. If it doesn't have that, your shop won't show. All you need to do is come into settings, templates and tabs, click edit there and change your template to shopping. Okay, I should have added that into the video about creating your page, but if you want to activate the shop, then you need to have that template. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.